So guys, if you want to see how I achieve this look and how I do my hair, just stay tuned. So welcome to my video, my YouTube friends and family. Guys, today it's all about me pampering myself. I'm going to do my hair, put on my makeup. Guys, I am not a makeup artist, as you know, but I thought I should do a next makeup tutorial for you all, and doing my hair, bleaching it out as usual. Yes guys, and you will see in the video that I am doing my makeup crazy, but in the end, to me it looks beautiful. So I hope you all enjoy this video that I put together for you all, and continue watching. Love you guys.